Welcome. The Google team is excited to inform you Google has a new update in regards to Google Chat. You can now easily link to a specific message in Google Chat. Now you can generate links to messages more efficiently so that others can reference a particular topic or announcement. You will find inside Spaces, Group Messages, and Direct Messages the ability to copy a link when you hover over a message. Let's go ahead and dive deeper about this amazing update. As you can see, I'm currently in Gmail and I'm using the integrated workspace to access Google Chat. But I do want to take this time to remind you, you can always access chat by going to the waffle up the top right hand corner and clicking on the chat application icon. Now, we're going to talk about this update, this amazing update, where it allows you to copy a link of a message inside a direct message, a group message, and a chat space. So let's start with a chat space. So inside a chat space, the GoogleHelp-Iowa community space, I could hover over a message and click on the three dots and copy a link. Then I could distribute that link in multiple fashions, such as an email, a Google Doc link, and etc. However, you need to be very conscious on making the decision on who has access to that particular link. In this particular case, who has access to this chat space, who can view this message. That is very important. It is very similar like a Google Doc. You need to make sure that that person has access to that Google Doc to make it an effective hyperlink. So be aware of that. Now, let's go ahead and just show you in a direct message example. I'm going to go over to chat and I'm going to click on the group message where I have 3 members involved. Let's go ahead and look at the membership so we understand who has access to this particular chat group message. So inside here, Trainer 13, which is the persona I'm in right now, and Trainer 1 and Trainer 2. So with that, I could go over here and I'm noticing that I have not received a response from anybody on this particular message, but I really think Trainer 2 needs to respond to this particular question in hand. I could go ahead and copy the link by clicking on the 3 dots, and I could obviously paste it in the same chat space, but I'm going to be polite to Trainer 2. And reminder, what do you think? We need a response to this particular group message. I'm going to go send a direct message to Trainer 2, and I'm going to remind her, hey, we need your help. Please respond. And I'll give her a link directly to that particular location. And then Trainer 2 would then be able to click on that, as I've already noticed that Trainer 2 had access to that group message. And then she could go ahead and you can see in Trainer 13, it takes you directly there as it would for Trainer 2 if I was logged into Trainer 2. But how does it look if you don't have access and you send a link to someone that maybe doesn't have access to that particular chat space, direct message, or group messaging? Well, let's go ahead and copy this same exact link. And now I'm going to send a message to Trainer 5. So I'm going to go ahead and send it to Trainer 5, and then I'm going to log in as Trainer 5 so you can see what the message appears. So I'm, for some reason, going to say, hey, check this out. This is not best practice, as I've already said, Trainer 5 does not have access. But how does it look for Trainer 5? Well, let's go ahead and log in as Trainer 5 and see what message appears when you get a hyperlink that you do not have access to. I'm currently in the persona Trainer 5, and I'm in the chat message that Trainer 13 sent to me to check out this particular chat message by providing me a hyperlink. What I'm going to ask you to do is look at the bottom left hand corner and you will see that I'm restricted access. So I click on this and you'll notice it says you do not have permission to view this space. So then you would need to communicate back to Trainer 13 and say give me more details or give me access to that space. So that is how it works. It's a very useful tool. It will be more collaborative and intuitive for you to communicate effectively. With that, I strongly encourage you to check out the resources posted below to learn more. Thank you.